What's up, y'all? So for today's video, we're going to be dedicating this to my dog, my man, my hombre, my I don't know what else to say. But today's video should be a great one for Christina because she's finally getting a new shift linkage, and I will quickly explain why. Well, I will show you why she needs a new shift linkage. Let me show you guys how crappy and sloppy this shifter is. So first and foremost, you can lift the damn thing up. It's complete shite. You should not be able to do this with the shifter at all. But hopefully today we get to solve that issue by installing this new shift linkage. So first things first, let's set this bad boy up and get to work. Figure out why my transmission side of the car is always leaking. And I think it's transmission fluid I'm leaking. I'm not leaking oil anymore from my oil pan, besides maybe right here. But that's probably because of the washer is bad, the course washer or whatever the hell that thing is. That looks pretty bad or whatever. But other than that, boy, I gotta fix this leak over here, but we ain't gonna worry about that. We're gonna worry about that right there. So first things first, get you, I think it's a 12 millimeter, maybe a 10, I'm not too sure. I'm pretty sure that's a damn 12. So I get a 12, loosen that, and then you get like a little punch or something and get out the bitch pin. The bitch pin is this thing right inside there. You want to knock that out with like a little punch or something. Man, that shit's touching. I'm pretty sure that's not a good thing that it's touching. We want to start from the front and work our way back. I go inside to get my tripod and I come outside and it is raining. So, Jesus, why? Watch it stop. It's gonna stop raining. Watch it stop. I think it already did. I think it already stopped raining. Yep. That's what happens when you live in Florida, bro. Somehow it'll be hot as hell outside. 3 minutes later, you're in a damn thunderstorm. Then 40 seconds after the thunderstorm, it is no raining and the sun is about to come back out. Gotta love Florida, bro. Gotta love Florida. Right. Step 1 done. Step 2, knock out the bitch pin. Bitch pin is removed. YouTube, please don't demonetize me, man. I'm just trying to make an earnest living out here in these streets. But what I used to knock it out was a hammer and a size 5 socket. This is from Stanley Tools, so in case you don't have a punch, use a size 5 boy with that type of tip on it, I guess. I don't know, but it worked. All I gotta do is pull it out, but it's hella oily. So I'm putting some gloves because I'm feminine now, so let me just do what I gotta do. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Okay, so that looks kind of smush, but we in the back of this mud sug where the shifter would go, and I still don't know what my problem would have been. I mean, that's tight. Those bolts are tight. It's just the whole thing is just like, I think it's just garbage, bro. It's just probably a garbage shift linkage, I'm guessing. But I think this is a 12 and this is a 13. I'm not too sure. I know this is a different bolt because this is not OEM. So I gotta figure that out. Both of those were actually a 13. It's kind of hard filming with this Gorilla Gobi pod or whatever. But yeah, both of them were 13. The old bonky ass thing is over there. Now I gotta loosen those things and that right there. Then we free to install this new one, bad boy. I remember reading a comment on yesterday's video. Dude was like, "Hey bro, you trying way too hard." I'm like, to do what? I was like, what am I trying hard at? I'm just being myself. Dude said I was trying too hard to be funny, son. I can't believe 2018 you can't even be yourself. I look like I know what I'm doing, huh? Probably not, though. Well, I think I found my jumping problem. I think there's supposed to be something there to hold this in place. I'm not too sure when it comes to shift linkages, but I remember Mark asking me to show him that if these were tight or just my linkage was bad. But see, Mark, they're tight, boy. All of them are tight. It's just this linkage is horrible. What up? How's it going? Damn it, boy. It's right here, Zosh. I'm your daddy, boy. Oh! Mark, you're dumb as hell. So I just got off the phone with Mark and he walked me through putting the shifter and this little plate on because I never had an actual shift linkage at work. So I didn't know what all this extra crap was, but so I got it figured out. Now it's time to tighten everything up. And if you do have the problem like I had earlier where I had to use like damn near 40 wrenches, This is just a 12 and this is a 10 on the bottom. I didn't know that. The 12 fits perfectly fine. I don't know if I can show you if it'll go, but the 12, yeah, 12 fits perfectly fine. All you need is a 10 on the other side. Tighten the thing up and you good to go. Oh, all right, just got the car on all fours not too long ago. Auntie stopped by and said what up to my Now we see if, I mean, it looks good to me. Let's see if it works. This is the knob that Mark sent. I'm scared to lift up. If it lifts up, we didn't do it right. Yo, it doesn't lift up. Oh snap! All right, let's put the shifter on. Woo! Do I got an actual shift linkage now? I know I ain't got no shift linkage. Oh snap! All right, let's go into gear. Yo, I got a shift linkage now, bro. It's lit. Yo, your boy got a shift linkage, son. Oh, that's so sick. All right, cool. It doesn't even jump up and down no more. Go into gear. Fine. Oh. Randy, bro. Hey, Randy, bro. Run low. Hey, Randy, bro. I'm coming for you, son. I'm coming for you. There's no more beat me. It's game over. I got my shifter. I set off my injectors. Ow! You is dead meat. Now the real test is actually driving, so I'm gonna go get some gas. I'm throwing the GoPro, get some POV action going on, and let's go to the gas station. Goes in the gear smooth as hell. The 85 when it makes my car die. Damn, son! It goes in the gear so smooth. I love it. One of my lights are working. I gotta figure out why. That's definitely. Yo, I got a shift linkage, boy. Yee! And my car just died. But I gotta figure out actually why my light. Something to do with the wiring on that side. Clutch is acting up. Other than that, it's smooth, boy. Well, I figured out why my car kept dying when I come to a stop. It's because when I put in the thousands, I messed with my duty cycle like a damn retard. So I put it back to where it was regularly at, and now my car doesn't die every time I come to a stop now. Could be because I have no damn gas as well, but all right, we got some gas. Let's do a pull. The end of the video. First and foremost, want to give a huge thank you to my brother man Mark for supplying your boy with this beautiful, like, yo, my car goes into gear so smooth now. I'm thinking the whole time it was like I had a bad slave, I had a bad master, but it was the shift links. Like, the shift link was horrible. Like, you've seen it in the earlier parts of this video where you could literally lift the whole damn thing up. It wouldn't go into gear smoothly. So I think that was the problem when my mom was driving the car. Like, it'd go boom, 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 or anybody else who drives it not used to my car, and it just go and I think that's because the shift link was just so shit. But now things have changed. You know what I'm saying? Your boy can go into every gear smoothly. So Randy, hey Randy, bro. Hey son, I'm coming for you. A special thanks to my man Mark for making this video possible. Please guys, if you like Honda content, if you like K-swap content, if you like EF content, if you like damn near anything that's Honda related, go check out Honda Street Garage. He's one of the OGs of this thing. I first found this channel through a friend, and ever since then I've been hooked, and it's so great that me and him have a close friendship now. Can't wait to collab with him. You guys will have a special collab type video series coming with me and him shortly, probably within the next month or so. I'm shooting for like late to mid-February, early March. We got some dope content for y'all. Just be posted on both our channels, so subscribe to Mark down below. He has great videos. He's the homie, and I appreciate you sending out this linkage and the knob. Yo, the knob is dope. He had the knob since 2013. He had it in every car he's ever had since 2013, I believe, 2012. Can't remember, one of those years. So I think that's pretty cool for him to give me that. That's like, I don't know, it's like passing the torch or something. I don't know, I just feel like it's really cool. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys tomorrow with the first step of paint prepping the car. We're gonna see what we're gonna get ourselves into tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.